Welcome to Gluten-Free Gourmet. Today I'm making a rich and comforting gluten-free fettuccine alfredo. The ingredients for this dish are really simple, but they combine to make a smooth and silky sauce that you'll keep coming back to. So let's get started. First, I combine a whole stick of butter, yes, all 8 tablespoons will get in there, and I just melt those down. Once it's melted, I add my spices, which is garlic powder, salt, white pepper, and just a dash of nutmeg. That's the mark of a really good Alfredo sauce. You don't taste the nutmeg, but it adds a little bit of earthiness. Once the spices are mixed in, I add a mixture of heavy whipping cream and plain old milk. And once that's warmed, I add part of my Parmesan cheese. I freshly grated this. And then once that's melted, I add the rest. This just makes sure the sauce stays nice and creamy. Next, I bring some well-salted water to a boil, and I add fresh gluten-free fettuccine. I got this at a local Aldi. It was just in their specialty refrigerator section. It wasn't too hard to find. And then I mix it up just to make sure nothing sticks together. I was actually really impressed by the quality of this pasta. Then once I have it drained and rinsed, I add it back to the pan. And I add part of my Alfredo sauce, which I set aside. I like to do just an initial coat on it. And then I add the rest. It may look a little bit soupy at first, but that pasta will soak it all up, and then you'll have the perfect consistency for your sauce. And there you have it. In quite literally less than 5 minutes, you have a delicious homemade fettuccine alfredo. Let me know if you give this one a try in the comments, and I'll see you next time on Gluten-Free Gourmet.